Hello guys, welcome back to another segment of my relocation journey. So this is me currently in the car on my way to the airport. So if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly hit the subscribe button to join me on this amazing journey and experience, the hassle of immigrating down to another country. It is not an easy stuff. Takes a lot of work. If you haven't watched my first video yet, you would see a link showing up in this video that would direct you to my first video of where I went to the embassy, did some of the processing for the visa and all of that. It's an amazing experience, so go check that out. Well, I've gotten to the airport, as you can see, and then I have a lot of stuffs I had to carry along because I'm going to school, so I don't want to go and suffer. So I took a lot of stuff along with me, and I had someone help me push them while I follow along. And yeah, so my family is also with me in this video. Well, they're in the background anyway, so you might not really see them, but later on I'm going to attach videos of my family where we took pictures together and stuff like that. So enjoy this journey with me. So I got to this point at the airport where I was told my parents weren't allowed to follow me in, so I had to go all alone. Though I still came outside back to say some goodbye and just enjoy the moment with them a little before my plane departed. So here I am, pushing my stuff myself because only travelers were allowed in. So I was pushing my stuff, trying to go get my ticket from Qatar Airways. So here's me. I kept on pushing my trolley. I had a lot of stuff, so forgive if the video isn't quite stable. Unfortunately, we all know how Nigeria works. So I got to where I was supposed to get my ticket, and lo and behold, no one was there. So I had to wait for several hours, several hours. Finally, as you can see from my hands, I finally got my flight schedule and my ticket. So yeah, it was a very long one, but I am heading back to my seat, and this is me just chilling, as the fine boy that I am. Just showing you guys how handsome I am. I'm single, by the way. So yeah, I just had to wait a bit to board. I'm walking down the aisle, to where I'm supposed to board my plane, and yeah, just enjoy, guys. An announcement was just made for the passengers heading to Qatar. So this is me queuing up, getting prepared to board into my flight. It took quite some time, I think about 10 minutes. Yeah, about 10 minutes. But anyway, I'm gonna hasten the video so I don't get to consume all of the time. So just enjoy the process. So here I am, just admiring myself, feeling good after all the shege I've been through in Nigeria, after all the shege Pro Max I've seen under Buhari. You can see me thinking. So just kidding, guys. So here the pilot is making an announcement, all these playing shenanigan stuff. So but just enjoying myself, just feeling good. Yeah. So this is outside of the plane. I think we're about taking off at this point. The plane was just taxiing, as it is called. Yeah. So I know you must be wondering where the heck I'm walking to. I'm having a stopover at Qatar for about 16 to 20 hours. So I'll have to rest at Qatar. I think I'll have to lodge at the hotel or something. It's been a very, very long ride, but thank God it was smooth. The flight from Nigeria to Qatar took 7 hours and some minutes. It was a very, very long ride, but there was no turbulence. The weather was okay. Everything was nice and smooth. So you could see me walking to the baggage claim area inside Hamad International Airport. So if you've been to Hamad International Airport, you know how large it is, and at some point I got lost, couldn't find my way. I had to ask for directions. I kept on walking aimlessly. The place was so large, like Nigerian airports, they play beside them. So I just kept running about, walking back and forth. I finally located the exit to the airport, and I'm currently on my way with some other travelers to get a hotel where we can rest for the 16-hour stopover. So here we are, just walking in the street of Qatar. We're about to get in a vehicle provided by Qatar Airways. Trust me guys, Qatar Airways has one of the sweetest services ever. Like, I enjoyed each and every bit of their services. So the car taking us to the hotel has arrived, and we are entering into the car to the hotel that has been accorded to us by Qatar Airways. The hotel is one of a kind. Trust me, it is exquisite, it is unique, and it is amazing. The part 3 of this video, I'm going to be walking you through the hotel, specifically the room where Qatar Airways gave me. The room was so nice. Like, I enjoyed my stay in that room. So watch out for the part 3 of my relocation journey down to somewhere in Asia. Okay, so if you really want to know the country I'm relocating to, I want you to stay hooked to this channel. Okay, so until next time guys, enjoy. I'll casually be showing you the street of Qatar from now henceforth to the end of this video. So just stick around and enjoy the amazing view of Qatar. And remember guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell to get updated on when the part 3 of my relocation journey drops on YouTube. Thanks guys for watching. Enjoy the amazing view of Qatar.